Looking for the dice that has the bigger number on it. And then we're going to use that number and count on the other amount that's on the other dice. So when I roll my 2 dice, I have a 4 and a 3. Which number is bigger?
4.
4. So we're going to say 4, and now we're going to count on our 3. Count on with me.
5, 6, 7.
So what is our whole number sentence there?
4 plus 3 equals 7.
Very good. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Today you're going to get your own dice, and we're going to do the same thing. And you're going to use your wipe off boards to be able to write your number sentence and show your answer. Hi, my name is Susan Bender, and I'm a first grade teacher here at Our Lady of Mount Carmel School. The joy I have of teaching first grade is that at the beginning of the year to the end of the year, you see so much growth in each student, not just academically, but through their faith as well. One of the things that we are privileged to be able to do in first grade is to be pen pals with the class in St. Malo, France. The students there and our students are able to write each other letters, and also this year we're able to video chat in live time with that class. So each student got to meet the student that they're writing to. Our Lady of Mount Carmel is a wonderful place where students are able to love and share their faith and their knowledge with each other.
Second grade is a really exciting year. I absolutely love teaching second grade because it's all about making connections and synthesizing all sorts of information to put things together. So we do read alouds of all different kinds of genres and types of books, and students are discovering what they love to read, and they're making the jump from learning to read to reading to learn. In math, we're building skills. We're taking what we learned about addition and subtraction and building fluency, so now we can move on to more complex skills.
Raise your hand. What do you think for that first word up there? How do I need to code that, Isabel?
So, you underline the A
Good job.
You put a matrix on the A.
Why?
And because it's long.
Yep.
And then you cross out the R because that's not making sense.
It's not making sense. So what's the word, Isabel? Bait.
The best part is sacramental preparation and getting the students ready to receive the sacraments of reconciliation and First Holy Communion, and all the work that we do in our school's atrium, where the students are hands-on, working with materials, and coming to meet and know the love that Jesus has for them in a deep and profound way.
57, 57, 57, 57. So I'm looking for a 57. Okay, so good job. So 3 times 9 is
27.
Where do I carry the 2?
Over the 1.
Okay, so 3 times 1 is
3.
plus 2 is
5.
One of the things that I love most about teaching third grade is that they're at this age where they're ready to apply knowledge they've already learned and think deeper about things. So especially in like religion class, we have wonderful debates. They really question their faith, and they use what they've already learned to have those aha moments. And so whenever I can teach and have a student say, oh, that's what I teach for. One of the things that I love is when I see students come in with their writing. So we'll start with a writing journal, and just the other day I was looking through what they were doing in August to what they were doing in January, and it's always so lovely to see how their print and their incomplete sentences turn into these lovely paragraphs, 4 to 5 to 8 sentences long, in cursive and beautifully written. We also enjoy, I also enjoy watching students in their grammar, nouns and verbs and all these ways that we talk about words in a sentence. They know the basics of them, but then they get to look at them real deeply and see actually how that sentence is coming together. My favorite things about children in general is just their social and emotional development. So it's great when you have a nice big class that can get along. So especially teaching in a Catholic school, I'm able to, especially during this pandemic, teach that hope and that kindness and that gentleness toward one another. And it's been wonderful to see how the students have come back together. When they answer questions, they explain their answers to help one another and to show one another and to guide each other. I like to see students really talking out their problems and treating one another in a beautiful way.